Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy shawl, and I designed it so that it's a one row repeat, and so it's very easy to do. You can mindlessly do it while watching TV. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 43. To make a chain, you simply pick up the yarn with the hook and pull it through the loop on the hook. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've chained 43. Double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Now that's going to take the place of 1 double crochet, so that's 2, and I need 5, so I need 3 more double crochet in this beginning. So 1, 2, and 3. So that's the equivalent of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the next stitch, make a V-stitch. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Now chain 1, and in that same stitch, make another double crochet. And that's a V-stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, make a V-stitch in the next stitch. Double, chain 1, and double. Skip the next 2 stitches, V-stitch in the next stitch. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to work in the next stitch. You're going to make a V-stitch. Double, chain 1, double. Skip the next 2 stitches, make a V-stitch in the next stitch. Double, chain 1, and double. Skip 2, V-stitch in the next stitch. Double, chain 1, and a double. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to work in that one. Double crochet. And double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Okay, so we have 5 doubles here, and we have 5 double at the other end, and in the center we have 2 groups of V-stitches. And now you repeat the next row for the entire pattern. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. Double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. This chain 3 takes the place of the first double crochet. So double crochet in the next 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So come over to that V-stitch, and in the center of the V-stitch, I'm going to make a V-stitch. So double, chain 1, and double. So you're making a V-stitch in the center of the V-stitch of the previous row. Now we're going to make a V-stitch in each of these 2 stitches. So V-stitch, double, chain 1, double. Now we'll make one more, double, chain 1, and double. Now I'm going to continue on, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a V-stitch in the V-stitch of the previous row. Double, chain 1, and double. Go to the next V-stitch, make a V-stitch. Double, chain 1, and double. Double, chain 1, and double. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double crochet in each of these 5 double crochets. So double, 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 and double in that last turning chain. So we have 5 double crochet on each end, and we have 2 sets of V-stitches in the center. You're just going to repeat that row over and over. And here's my finished shawl, and here's the 2 rows that I completed, and that's what that looks like. And you just continue to work over and over until your shawl is the length that you need it to be. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet this shawl. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.